The 3D printing revolution hit accessibility in 2025-2026 with beginner-friendly machines starting under $200 delivering professional quality results. Tom's Hardware confirms it's never been more affordable to get into 3D printing, with budget printers now featuring auto bed leveling, touchscreen interfaces, and speeds once reserved for premium models. Makers 101 reports matching your budget and project goals is key, with entry points from $300 delivering fantastic results for beginners. These budget printers include auto leveling, faster heat-up times, improved extrusion systems, and software support previously unavailable at accessible prices. In this video, we reveal the top 5 best budget 3D printers for beginners in 2026. Let's explore the affordable machines changing everything. Number 5, AnkerMake M5C, the $189 speed demon. The AnkerMake M5C delivers impressive 500mm speeds at just $199, changing value expectations. UFIMate confirms this cheapest 3D printer delivers impressive speed and quality rarely seen at this price. The Precision mode offers up to 50 million resolution for incredible detail, rivaling expensive machines. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity makes controlling and monitoring from smartphone effortless throughout. The durable design includes 300°C all-metal hotend, allowing compatibility with various filament materials. The automatic bed leveling and flexible magnetic plate make this excellent for first-time users. Users report the setup taking only minutes before printing successfully without complications. The print quality exceeds expectations for sub-$200 pricing consistently throughout testing. The smartphone integration allows remote monitoring, eliminating constant physical checking requirements completely. The flexible build plate makes print removal easy without damage to models or plate. The all-metal hotend supports wide temperature ranges for different materials beyond basic PLA. UFIMate declares this perfect for beginners and seasoned makers alike seeking value. The 500mm speed means projects finish quickly, reducing waiting times dramatically always. When you want fastest budget 3D printer under $200, the M5C delivers speed. Number 4, Elegoo Centauri Carbon, the $299 out-of-box winner. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon has become most talked about entry-level 3D printer in 2025 deservedly. Makers 101 confirms unlike budget machines requiring constant tweaking, this works surprisingly well immediately. The Carbon version includes fully enclosed chamber, helping control temperature for materials like ABS. The regular Centauri offers open frame version slightly cheaper, perfect for mostly PLA printing. Independent reviews note smooth, detailed prints at speeds usually reserved for pricier Core XY printers. Testers ran long multi-part jobs proving stable even during overnight prints without supervision. For machine under $300, that reliability remains rare in budget category. Reddit users declare it just works out of the box, feels like $600 printer for half price. The enclosed chamber provides better temperature stability, improving print success rates dramatically. The Core XY design delivers speeds and precision exceeding traditional bed slinger mechanisms significantly. Users appreciate not spending weeks tweaking settings before achieving good prints successfully. The build volume accommodates most beginner projects without feeling limiting during initial learning. Makers 101 recommends this as fantastic entry point for most affordable, reliable start. When you want under $300 printer working immediately, the Centauri Carbon wins. Number 3, Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo, the $279 multicolor champion. The Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo delivers multicolor printing at $279, destroying premium pricing. Tom's Hardware confirms new slicer, better hotend, upgraded frame, and added camera at only $279. The 4-color Ace Pro Multi-Maker unit adds $120 for combo pricing. The total combo cost remains cheaper than Bambu Lab A1 Mini with similar functionality. The AI error detection makes this novice-friendly, catching problems before they ruin prints. The intuitive slicer simplifies file preparation, eliminating steep learning curves for beginners. Users appreciate multicolor capability, making printed models more vibrant and detailed throughout. The camera allows remote monitoring, checking print progress without being physically present constantly. The upgraded frame provides better stability during high-speed printing operations, reducing failures. The hot-end improvements allow wider temperature ranges, supporting more filament types successfully. Tom's Hardware declares this hard to beat at current pricing for multicolor capability. The AI features help beginners learn faster by identifying and correcting common mistakes automatically. When you want affordable multicolor printing under $300, the Cobra 3 dominates. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE, the $169 reliability king. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE represents best affordable FDM printer available at $169. Tom's Hardware confirms this easily the best affordable FDM printer you can buy today. The Deluxe S1 features include CR Touch automatic bed leveling and Sprite Direct Drive extruder. The maximum speed reaches 215 meters, making this faster than previous budget champion Cobra Neo. The watch comes almost fully assembled, taking only 15 minutes before ready for printing. Creality includes printed manual guiding through building process and filament installation clearly. The 250mm build volume matches larger competitors in same small footprint. The LED interface with knob provides intuitive control superior to basic button systems. Tom's Hardware tests produced clean prints with minimal artifacts like tiny wisps occasionally. The CR Touch auto leveling eliminates tedious manual bed leveling plaguing older budget printers. The Sprite Direct Drive improves filament feeding, especially with flexible materials successfully. Users report this being most reliable entry-level printer, surviving years of daily use. When you want most reliable budget printer under $200, the Ender 3 V3 SE wins. Number 1, Bambu Lab A1 Mini, the $190 smart champion. Finally claiming the throne is the Bambu Lab A1 Mini at $199 standalone. Tom's Hardware declares this ideal printer for any level maker interested in multicolor printing. The combo with AMS Lite costs $349, adding 4-color capability. Sovol confirms this best budget 3D printer for beginners, offering user-friendly setup and fast speeds. The smart features simplify 3D printing process, making this accessible to complete beginners. The quick setup and smooth printing results earn praise from users universally worldwide. The touchscreen guides through each step, making operation intuitive without reading manuals extensively. The automatic calibration ensures great prints every time, eliminating common beginner frustrations completely. The camera and Wi-Fi connectivity allow remote monitoring, making this feel premium throughout. Tom's Hardware confirms this can be dressed up or down, working everywhere, always. The quiet operation allows printing in bedrooms without disturbing sleep or concentration periods. Makers 101 recommends this as fantastic entry point for affordable, reliable starting experience. The AMS Lite option provides easy multicolor addition later as skills develop naturally. When you want best overall beginner 3D printer balancing price, quality, and ease, the A1 Mini Perfection.